Hello friend, you're welcome to your channel. How to know? Today I'm going to tell about the reward section of the gate.io. In this video, I will tell you about the rewards which is being given on the gate.io, where you can easily get rewarded by the doing simple small activities on the gate.io. For this, you have to just be a part of the gate.io, and to be a part of the gate.io, just go in the description section where you can find a link of the sign up and also this reward center link is given over there, and I will also mention the links all these rewards. Okay, as you know, the grow is just a growing form, or you can say growing exchange in the cryptocurrency network. So just let us start the video. So for the starting, just you have to log in it, and after login, you have to click on the giveaways. After clicking giveaways, a bonus companion, you have to click on the bonus companion. After clicking over there, you will see a page where it will be mentioned that gate.io reward center, from where you can participate any of the campaigning listed over here. So let's go through the. Okay, you can see here limited activities is given here gate.io. Today I'm going to tell about the new listing called GLMR. It's a new listing or new token is going to be listed on the gate.io. Here I'm going to explain about this. First of all, Gate.io will launch Glimmer. The GLMR full form, the token full name is Glimmer, and trading on 11th January. It means from the today it will be start. So to participate in here, you can find some details. Let's start. To celebrate the listing of GLMR, Gate.io will start a GLMR Carnival. Deposit and trade to share in $50,000 from now on. The total prize pool is $50,000 worth of the GLMR. You are welcome to share it together. So let's start. Carnival period is from now on 22 and from the 9 a.m. Okay. Event registration, you can directly register yourself by clicking here. Just you have to click the link and directly you will be redirected to the page, and where you can find and easily enter your UID and other things. So activity 1 is here given for this. After the registration, there are multiple activities which you have to do. These are very small activities. It can be finished in small time. So activity first is first 1,000 deposit users to share 15,000 GLMR airdrop. It means the top 1,000 deposits will be share 15,000 GLMR. Okay, first top 1,000 depositor will get 15,000, and it will be distribute each and every depositor on the first come on first served basis. Like if you are the first depositor, then you will get at least a deposit. You have to deposit at least $15 GLMR. Okay, then you can get over here. The deposit link I will share in the description section. You can directly negotiate over there by clicking on the this link. Okay, and second activity is trade GLMR to share 30,000 GLMR in rewards. Over the first activity is deposit. First deposit 1,000 users. First 1,000 deposit user will be rewarded worth 15,000 GLMR. Okay, and second activity, when you complete, you can get up to 30,000 GLMR. Like you can see here, the top 1,000 user based on the trading volume will be share 30,000 GLMR. First place won 1,500 GLMR. Second place price is 1300 GLMR, and third place price is 1200 GLMR, and fourth to 200th place will get share remaining 15,000 GLMR based on the trading volume. Okay, the remaining 800 winners will share get remaining 11,000 GLMR based on the trading volume. Okay, the 201st to 1000th place user are capped at $50. It means the thousandth user will get $50. During the competition, participant need to trade at least 10 GLMR. In this section, you have to trade at least 10 GLMR, and link will be also shared in the description section. Same for third activity, new user register and trade win share of the 33,000. It means new user who register for the get.io account and complete any amount of the valid trade can receive 15 GLMR each. Okay, so just register, and registration link is given in the description section. And after registration, you can click on the link which is also mentioned over there, and you will get a reward of 15 GLMR. Okay. Fourth activity, after joining the get.io, invite the user and win a share of 1000 GLMR mega reward. You can see detail here. User who invite the friend to register for the get.io account and complete KYC verification, make any amount of the valid trade, can receive 10 GLMR for each invite. So a total of 1000 GLMR prize pool, first come first serve. After ending the 1000 GLMR pool, no one get any prize. So hurry up, get sign up, and get rewarded. And fifth activity is 1000 GLMR for the Twitter gateway. From now on, we will start 7 days about the 1000 GLMR Twitter giveaway event. Completed the trading, following tasks, and get lucky draw opportunity. After the event, we will draw 50 people from them, and will give each winner 20 GLMR. And giveaway link is also will be mentioned in the description section. You can find over there easily and easily earn money from here. So there are basic some basic rules for the competition. That is rules is there. There is earlier you participate in trading volume, and the higher the weighting. The user trading volume is calculated by, like in bracket you can see, buy volume plus sell value multiplied by time bonus factor. Okay, and then not continuing same user buying and selling. Please do not swipe and trade volume. Time bonus factor from 1.2 time at the beginning and the campaigning 1 times on the end of the campaigning, decreasing linearly over time. Second rule is due to varied transaction cost for different VIP level. In order to keep the competition fair, the transaction volume will be eliminated by the multiplying the actual commission, public VIP 10 commission, by the difference in user transaction commission. And due to the difference in transaction cost, referral reward, and order ID public competition, this is you can see, like there are a lot of rules which can be easily followed, and we can earn easily. So there's no need to focus more. But before investing, just have a look on this competition. Notice also is given here. All the participants need to fill the application form to complete and KYC verification at the end of the activity period. It means that if you have joined Get.io and not completed your KYC, then you need to complete KYC within the period of this activity. Okay, otherwise they will not be able to include a list of the winner. If you are not completing your KYC, then you will not be a winner. So it is very mandatory to complete a KYC. To complete KYC, video is given in the link. You can find over there. So a second notice is sub accounts and master account will be treated as the same account. Suppose you have two accounts, like one is the sub account and one is the master account. then both will be same as will be counted as one. Okay, and participant must agree and comply with the gate area term, and use of the duplicate account of any other unethical behavior is strictly prohibited. Okay, it means just you have to must agree and comply the terms of gate.io, and any content action could bring dispute on the gate.io brand is strictly prohibited. And fifth, notice is the reward will be given equivalent token and distributed to the winners account and can be viewed by my wallet billing details. If you want to see all the billing, you can go in the wallet and you can find over the all the detail in my billing section. So here it is. So all the link will be shared in description section where from where you can easily negotiate to this activity. And be to be a part of the Gate.io, please do subscribe, do sign up using the link given in the description section. And please like, share, subscribe. Any issue, any confusion, please do comment in the comment section. I will reply immediately as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.